Greetings dear Jalinga users! After a lot of hard work, we are delighted to finally present the brand new Jalinga Web Editor. You can now experience the convenience of Jalinga Web Editor with a single click on your internet browser. Enjoy the same great features irrespective of whether your device has Windows or macOS. Jalinga Web Editor is based on cutting-edge technology and runs directly in any web browser. Create your video presentations with ease without having to install any software. With Jalinga Web Editor, creating stunning video presentations has never been easier. The user-friendly interface and ergonomic key controls make the process simple and enjoyable. Plus, the iconic presentation objects and light and dark themes offer a great visual experience. And there's even more. Our integrated Jalinga Cloud system allows you to store and manage your presentations all in one place. This is truly an amazing system that will make creating presentations much more convenient. In the following videos, we will explain how easy it is to use the Jalinga Cloud and Web Editor. So join us on all our social media networks and channels to learn more about the new Jalinga products designed specially for you. Looking forward to seeing you soon. Bye.